everyone, my name is Carlo. I'm 23 years old and I've been tricking for 7 years. If you don't know what tricking is, it looks a little something like this. So basically it's a combination of all martial arts, all movement styles mixed in with a little bit of gymnastics, a little bit of parkour, actually not really parkour, as much more free running. In this video, I'm going to talk about how meditation can help you with tricking or free running or gymnastics or tumbling or any extreme movement. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so for this meditation, you're going to start by breathing in. Oh, first of all, you're going to be in a lotus position, just like this thing right here. And then you start by breathing in through your nose and out your mouth. And you just focus on your breathing, just cycling in and out, just slowly until you reach a nice calm pace. And until you reach nirvana and you feel calm to where you are. After that, you're gonna start with your feet, right? So you're gonna focus on your feet, maybe for like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and you're gonna go to your ankles, your calves, your knees, thighs, all the way up, every single body part, all of it. So after you've gone through every single body part and you've linked your mind to all the different parts of your body, you start imagining and visualizing yourself training. Or for example, we'll just use backflip since it's like the most simple trick that everybody knows about. For the backflip, you imagine yourself, your hands going back. You don't move at all. It's just all in your head. You imagine yourself, your hands going back, then coming up slowly, straight like this, setting up, jumping. You imagine yourself jumping up, imagine yourself looking, spotting, and then going around, looking at the floor, tucking first, then looking at the floor, spotting the floor, and then landing. And then right there, you just did a rep in your head, right? So this is a way to train your subconscious without necessarily risking yourself getting hurt, without actually training. It's probably not going to be as like intense as like actual training, but like since we're in quarantine right now and it's like all the gyms are closed, right? So you can't train the body, train the mind, right? There's 3 things you have to train in order to be a good athlete, right? Mind, body, spirit, right? You train the mind by meditating, right? Also by reading and school, I guess. Train the mind. Body, working out, actual tricking sessions, push-ups, calisthenics. Train the mind, your body. Oh, eat well as well, of course. And then spirit. Spirit is a little harder to like train, I guess. I mean, because we're all born with it, and there's like a certain level of energy that everybody has. Oh, first of all, spirit is energy, right? When you're exerting energy, that's you letting out your spirit. This type of meditation can be helpful when overcoming fear, right? Because basically what you're doing, you're getting reps in your head, right? So the more reps you have of something, the more comfortable you'll be with it, right? If you've done 10 backflips, you'll be more comfortable with yourself. You'll be more comfortable at the 10th backflip than you were at the first one, right? So if you run 10 backflips in your head before you run one actually, like that's 10 extra reps that you're going to be ahead than if you hadn't run them in your head. You know what I mean? So basically you're training your mind, like I said earlier, right? You're downloading these tricks into your subconscious, into your mind, into your brain. So just remember that you can use this meditation for any trick that you want to learn. It doesn't have to be just a backflip, Sometimes I like sit there for 2 hours and I'll be having like a full like training session. Well, maybe not 2 hours. I mean that's probably the longest I've ever gone, but I do sit down for a long time and just do like full combos in my head, or tricks that I've only dreamt of doing and have still not done yet, but I do them in my head, and eventually they go into my dreams. If you're tricking or if you're training in your dreams, that's even better, because that's an even higher subconscious level that you're training at. Yeah, so anyways, that was my meditation, how meditation helps with tricking in extreme sports video. If you don't already know, well, I mean, nobody probably knows, but I'm making this video for my internship with CreaTV. But I have decided to start posting these videos onto YouTube, just because YouTube is something that I've always wanted to do, and people have always told me that I should. Yeah, so finally, why not like knock two birds with one stone right now, post on YouTube. And okay, so just like, share, subscribe, you know how it goes. Comment down below, let me know like what you guys think of this video, and if you have any questions, and what other video ideas you guys might have. I mean, I already have a bunch that I have written down, but anyways, that's it for this video. Peace.